This young lady came over and rang my doorbell and said, "We would like to beautify your house. What do you think needs doing?" I became, in fact, the first Black elected to public office. The election was held 2 days after Martin Luther King was assassinated. I was elected mainly because of the reaction to Martin Luther King's assassination. My name is Wilhelmina Delco, and I live in Austin, Texas, and I'm a former member of the school board, a founding member of the community college, and a member of state legislature. We've been in this house over 50 years, and almost everything you all have done is something that one of these days I was planning to do. You know, we have gotten so cynical because most people have to be paid to do everything now. Just almost unheard of that you get the level of volunteering, the cordiality, putting everything into somebody else's house. It's just amazing. It restores my faith in volunteerism. And I think it's important for Austin to know that groups like this exist, and you would take time out of your schedule to come and help me beautify my house. Thank you so much.
Most appreciative. Thank you very much.
Really, really.
Hey, and lastly, we'd like to thank organizations like Raasin and the Sun by contributing a little bit to the cause so that we can continue to do projects like this.
Wow,
So
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, my goodness.
So that we can keep continuing to do things like this in the community.
Listen,
right.
everybody on this street is going to call me before the weekend.
I got to get another.
Thank
so much for
all
allowing
of
us
you
a chance
guys.
to come by.
Dang.
Thank you very much.